morning, guys. Happy weekend vlog. So it is Saturday, March 28th, and this weekend I hope isn't too busy, but I know we have a lot to do. First on the list of things to do is I have to get Joey's pictures with the Easter Bunny. I got to go, and another mom and I are putting together Easter eggs for the school's Easter egg hunt for Joey. And I'm really excited because there is a lot to do, but I'm just hoping that it won't be too busy. Right now, I'm just going to make breakfast for Joey and I because Joey said he's hungry and I'm hungry. So I'm making scrambled eggs for myself, and Joey said he wants oatmeal. This kid is obsessed with oatmeal. Is anybody else's kid obsessed with oatmeal as much as my kid is? Because he could eat it lunch, breakfast, dinner, snack, midnight snack. He could eat it all day long. So let's just get jump started into this weekend. Are you liking your oatmeal?
Yeah.
Does it taste good?
Mm-hmm.
Yummy, yum, yum, good?
Mm-hmm.
So Joey's having oatmeal. I'm having oatmeal. And we're going to have some breakfast.
Look right up here. Say cheese. Big smile. Look right here. And one more, say cheese.
Okay, guys, so we just got done taking Joey's picture with the Easter Bunny, as you saw. And it came out so cute, but Joey's like, I am not sitting with the Easter Bunny. I am not sitting on his lap.
Mommy.
I don't want to be close to him.
Mommy,
But he did really well. I'm really proud of him, and he looks like a unicorn right now. And we are going to the, it's called the Women's Humane Society around us to go look at puppy dogs just because we want to look at puppy dogs.
Me too.
You want to look at puppy dogs too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, we're going to look at puppy dogs, and then we're going to go and grab some lunch. Then we're going to go home, and Chris is going to start making dinner. It sounds weird because it's only like 12, but he's going to start making dinner. And then we're going to just have a relaxing day at home. So we're back from lunch and from looking at puppies. We looked at a dog named Bronson, and I don't know, it makes you appreciate your dogs better when like you're around dogs that are just terrible, I would call him. I mean, he wasn't terrible. He was just very energized, and he was very nippy still. Like, he nipped Joey's ear, but Joey didn't cry, thankfully. But we were looking at dogs, and it just makes us appreciate the two dogs that we have more. So now you get to see us at home a lot today because we don't really have anything else planned today. We're looking at another puppy tomorrow. But yeah, time for a relaxing day. Pet her, Joe. She wants you to pet her. Or she's gonna lick you. Oh, she wants you. Oh, she wants you to pet her belly. Here's my belly, Joy. Pet my belly. You're such a good puppy. And you're a good big brother, Joe.
No, I'm a good one. And Dad's a brother, and I'm a. This is a.
You would be a brother. She would be your sister.
Sister?
Yeah, she's your little sister.
Yeah.
Well, for you, she'd be your big sister.
Big sister?
Yeah. Oh, cow. You're so happy.
You're so
We love you, cow.
You love your cow? Say moo. Cocos didn't say moo.
We love you, cow.
Love you, cow.
Oh, give that Joy a kiss. Such a good puppy girl. Chris is making chili again. Mmm.
Mommy. Look at his.
Can you try to paint in the lines?
Look at Chase's papa.
I see. So Joey's painting some Paw Patrol. Don't forget to wet it sometimes, okay?
Okay.
Try to paint in the lines, Joe. Oh, that's Slag, you goof. He's not all blue, just his backpack's blue. Somebody's cuddling with Daddy.
Oh, this pack, Chloe.
Somebody's cuddling with Daddy.
This pack, Chloe. Give me this pack.
So while Joey paints over there, I'm going to color in his coloring book. And a friend of mine colored this and I thought it was really cool. I'm going to color this one.
Is your favorite color sky?
So Joey's trying to stay in the lines. Are you coloring inside the lines?
Yeah, trying to get more.
Brown.
Yeah, because I don't have more in it. I can paint him because he's not going to work. He can't. Chase can walk. Chase can walk, right?
Mm-hmm.
So is Marshall, because Marshall can jump.
Joey's trying to stay inside the lines. We'll see you back in a little bit and see if Joey's done. Hey, it looks so pretty. And my coconuts, I worked on those. Look at that. And Joey's still painting.
I'm trying to get more paint so I can paint brown.
Good boy. There is some chili under there, but there's lots of cheese. He's already eating his. Joey's eating his chili. How is it?
Good.
Is Daddy a good cook? Yeah, I think so too.
Daddy, you're a great cook.
Happy Sunday morning, guys. Joey's matching these pictures up here to those down there to see what one looks the same. Do you need help?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, ready? So it goes like this. Hold it like you would. You go down, over, down.
That's a 4.
Yep. So which one looks like this car?
And blah blah. This one.
No. So which one looks like this? Which car looks like this one? So which one down here looks like this one?
That one
No.
is a C.
Yeah, that's C. But which car down here looks like that? You want to skip it?
Yeah.
Alright, so which one looks like this? It looks like this old car. You're right, that one does look like that. So you're going to put 1 next to D. So put the number 1 here. So draw just a straight line down.
Straight line down.
Somebody's lucky. It's cute. Is it good?
Mhm.
So we just got back from Walmart and we went to Wawa. We got Chris a drink and I got Joey a drink and I got myself a drink. So I'm going to let Joey tell you what he got. Joe, what did you get?
Chocolate milk.
Is chocolate milk your favorite?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So Joey got some chocolate milk, I got some soda, and Chris got some iced tea. Yay! Okay, so I usually don't show you my house, but today we did like a lot of cleaning. Don't mind the pile of Christmas toys and other toys that Joey brought out. But anyways, we did a lot of cleaning today. We moved all this stuff over here, piled all Joey's Christmas stuff, which we have to get upstairs. Then there's a Joey. This is now Chris's new setup for his Xbox One, which used to be my old desk, because we got rid of his desk. He used to have this L-shaped desk there that's now gone. And then we have our printer chair. We didn't really need a big spot for it because it only just needs to be plugged in somewhere. So for right now, this is where it's going. And then we have our messy TV. But, like, let me move around, Brindle. If I move all the way back, I am all the way across the room. Like, look how much that opens up that whole living room space. Like, there's just tons of space, which means there's tons of space for Joey to play. And there's still space for for Chris to sit and to play his game. And there's just a lot of room. Dance party, Joe. Watch out for Cow. Okay, this kid's weird. So do you guys agree that is a lot of space, or am I just imagining things? Okay, so we are just about to play the Paw Patrol game, and Joey is matching up all the pieces. So he's matching up all the badges for us. And Brindle's over there, chomp down on her bone. And then over here we have Cow, who is getting ready to be comfy. So, Joey, you excited?
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna fix those badges.
Yep. I think I'm gonna be Chase today. No, I'm gonna be Rocky.
And I ain't gonna be Chase.
No, you can only be one. Pick one.
I'm gonna be Chase.
Okay. Do you need help fixing all the badges?
Nope.
Okay.
like that.
It's good on the floor. It's fine. It's fine, Joe. It's fine. It's good.
Not way better.
It's fine.
Hey, stop. You're not going to work. After I tell you one more time, I will get you. Nope, he's eating a leg. Is it fit there?
Just put it down on the ground, Joe. Okay, so what does this spell?
Cat.
Okay. What does this spell?
Mat.
What does this spell?
Rat.
Okay. What does this spell?
Sat.
Good job. Okay, can we try different words?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try. Okay. No, that's a P.
P.
So, pa.
Pat.
Good job. Okay, so now we're going to change this one out, put this in here.
Map.
Good job. What about this one?
Cap.
Good job. What about
Sap.
good job. What about no g,
G. B.
no pa,
P. Pat.
no.
Gap.
Sound it out again. G,
G. P. Cap.
no. G, a, gap.
Gap.
Good job. Now let's see. What about
Bar.
good job.
Tar.
Good job.
R. Far.
Good job.
Like far away.
Yep. Let's try. I have another one for you. This is a new one that you haven't had before.
B.
I,
E.
g.
G. Gid.
No, sound it out, Joe.
B.
I,
G.
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 So, b,
B.
I, g.
Big.
You're right. Good job.
Is big.
Yep, it's big. What about this one? Oh, that's not the letter I was looking for. Where's the letter I'm looking for? Oh, it's in here. That's why. This is a brand new one.
B.
No, that's D. So D,
D.
I,
I.
g.
G.
D,
D.
I,
I.
g.
G. Dig.
Good job. What about this one? No, wa,
Wa.
I,
I.
G.
G.
Wa.
What?
No. Wa.
What?
G.
G.
Wig. Good job.
Wig?
Yeah, wig. What about I. G.
G. Zig.
Zig, you're right.
Let's try another letter.
So guys, at the present moment, we are working with flashcards with the letters on them and having Joey sound out the words while I am. Chris is upstairs napping. But that's what we're doing right now. And Joey's doing really well with this. He enjoys doing the cards. And I'm doing sounds that kind of rhyme, or I should say words that rhyme. So like wig.
I say egg.
So fig, you're right. Good job. So I'm doing words that rhyme. So like fig, wig, dig, zig, all those words, stuff that rhymes. Like we did cat, hat, bat. And he's really enjoying it, and he's getting to sound them out, so he's learning. And I'm really proud of him, and it shows like he can figure out words by looking at the letters and stuff.
Bug.
No. Ba. I. G.
G. Big.
You're right, big. So I'm just enjoying this. I'm enjoying watching him learn stuff. So what cool things can your kids do? Or what things do you do to help keep your kids learning and interested in learning? Leave it in the comment section below because I'm curious and I want to keep doing this with Joey.
On the bug here.
So this is the end to our weekend. We're just cuddling up on the floor. Brindle is cuddling with Joey. So we hope you guys had an amazing weekend, and we'll see you guys again soon. Bye, guys!
Bye, guys.